Ako po si Glenn Nagabarias, isang Grab car driver. Start po ako sa Grab since I was a PWD dialysis patient. Wala po akong mapasukang ibang work. Sa Grab ko po nakita ang isang company na walang discrimination. Si Grab po ang nakatulong para ipagpatuloy ko po ang aking pagpapadialysis. Di ko mo may sakit ka, stop na ang buhay. So dahil kay Grab, pagpapatuloy ko pa rin po ang aking hanap buhay.
My name is Marvin, and I am one of the partners of Instamart. Instamart is an online grocery store that easily provides access to household essential items, food, and beverages. One of the favorite things I like about Grab is that merchants, big or small, has the opportunity to expand and grow. Thanks to Grab, we have seen Instamart grow from a home-based business to a fully fledged online grocery store. This shows that even a small business like ours can grow and make a big impact in the community.
I'm Joel B. Contreras, Grab Express Rider, 2 years na kay Grab. Dahil sa pandemic, nawalan ako ng trabaho. Nang dahil kay Grab, nabigyan ko ng magandang pamumuhay ang aking pamilya at naibigay ko ang lahat ng pangangailangan nila sa pang-araw-araw. Proud ako nakikibahagi sa Grab bilang miyembro ng LGBT community sa pagkampiyon ng inclusivity and diversity.
Ako si Mark Anthony Aguilar, na dati nagtatrabaho sa isang restaurant na naapektuhan ng pandemya. Ngayon ay proud Grab food rider. Nakakatulong si Grab sa pang-araw-araw, sa pagkain, bayarin, at pangangailangan. Ang paborito kong parte bilang delivery riders, nagkaroon ako ng pangalawang pamilya at mga kaibigan. Sa mga nagnanais maging bigati ni Grab, mahalin ang trabaho at maging inspirasyon sa iba.
Ako si Jester, sa pagiging Grab Food Partner, nakapagtapos ng edukasyon ang misis ko. Susunod ako sa kanya upang makamit namin ang aming mga pangarap kasama ng aming mga anak. Simula ako sa Grab dahil sa pinansyal na pangangailangan at doon ay natutulungan ko ang aking pag-aaral at natutuloy-tuloy ko hanggang ngayon. Sa dami-dami naming Grab Partner, Grab Rider, libo-libo at isa ako doon sa napili bilang bigatin sa 10th anniversary ni Grab. Sobrang saya at overwhelming para rin sa aking pamilya.
Ako si Carlos San Lorenzo Buhayo, driver by day, student by night. Dahil kay GrabFood, natapos ko ang aking pag-aaral. Financially, malaking tulong si Grab sa akin. Natustusan ko yung aking pag-aaral, nakapagbayad ako sa school. Lahat pong yun dahil po sa tulong ni Grab. Sobrang nakaka-inspire na maging bigati ni Grab. Kasi parang ito na yung bunga na lahat ng pagtsatsaga mo, paghihirap. Bigatin talaga pag si Grab ang kasama.
I am Jaime Gonzalez, CEO at Pickup Coffee. GrabFood believed in us since the very beginning, and this helped us grow our business to 10 stores and provide accessible espresso and milk-based beverages in just a few clicks. Truly, the growth has been incredible. It's a privilege. We're so grateful that Grab has taken us under their wing all the way from the first store until becoming Bigaten. For those of you who aspire to be Bigaten with Grab, I would like to share 3 things with you. Take the leap of faith to go for it and follow your dream, follow your passion. Get surrounded by a family who shares your values, who's so hardworking as you are, and who also shares your vision.
My name is G. Rabakal, and I'm one of the founders of 5 Star Lucky Fried Chicken. We joined Grab because it is the leading aggregator for indie brand and food category. Grab really helped us because with Grab, business expansion is really easy. To all small businesses out there, I know mahirap ang pinagdadaanan natin for the past year. But I want you to explore new opportunities and new possibilities. Grab has been a blessing to us. You can never go wrong with Grab.
I'm Happy Santana. Our family owns Lola Nenas. We signed up with Grab towards the end of 2019, just before the pandemic. We were just 60 in our company, but after it, we're already almost 500. So far, that's the best decision we ever made for our company. Through the help of Grab, we were able to share the gift of Pichi Pichi, Siopaw Tostado, and old-fashioned donuts. We hope to delight more people as we continue to be bigaten with Grab. We promise to give you quality products and happy customers.
Ako si Aizen Lim, owner ng Tupapa. Karendera noon, restaurant na ngayon. From big screen, ako ay bigaten na ngayon kay Grab. Two factors that made us join Grab is first, security, and second, assurance. Security kasi established na sila as a company. Assurance kasi alam mong ang laki ng grinow nila as a company. So alam mong may chance na mangyari din sa'yo yun. Malaking tulong na nandito si Grab ngayon. Dahil nung nag-i-start pa lang kami ng food business, talagang sobrang hirap magpapasok ng customer mo sa store. So yun, sa delivery apps talagang sobrang grateful kasi ang laking platform niya para sa startup companies. I-imagine namin before, ano kaya yung feeling na nandun sa loob ng application yung store mo, yung resto mo. Ayun, naging totoo na, nandun na kami sa loob, kaya hindi namin ma-explain yung saya talaga.